Guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you guys the difference between pullback and a retest. Some people mistake a retest for a pullback and a pullback for a retest. And I want to explain why they are important and which one you should trade the most. They are all okay. They are good catalysts. They work perfectly well for our trading depending on your setup and depending on your trading system. But today I want to show you guys which of them is better for trading. If you really want to be successful, which of them is very profitable and reliable, and how to trade them depending on your setup. Okay, yeah. So FX Major is right here, guys. You know I'm your best mentor out there, and the only thing you can do for me now is to smash the like button, is to subscribe to this channel, is to drop some good comments. If you find this video helpful, you find this video very helpful, subscribe to this channel and check the description of this video to join my free Telegram channel for more amazing contents like this. Okay, yeah, I took this trade step index. You can see we are in good profit, and I just moved my SL below my entry already. I've given it to my VIP and they are still making money. They are still milking it. If you check my free Telegram channel, you see the results right there. I'll tell you guys the reason for this trade and also tell you why I think you should trade a certain catalyst between trading pullback and a retest. Okay, so now first of all, when I do my analysis, this is how I start my analysis. I want to know the overall market direction. I always want to know the overall market direction. Where is the market going? Where is the market going? So the first thing, this is how you do. If you're a new person, you don't really know how to read the chart perfectly well. I think the first thing you need to do, you could do something like this. When you do something like this, you can see we are in a downtrend. Market is actually going down. Market is actually going down. Market is actually going down. Okay, we are in a downtrend. Now, if you zoom out again and you check this structure, you see that we are in a downtrend. Check this structure, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Market direction is very important. I mean, the trend is very important and high. So we know that markets will be going down again. All right, so I knew that market will be going down again. So my first entry was here. If you check my free Telegram channel, I dropped the charts for everyone to. My first setup was here. My first projection was here that markets will be selling around this level. But I know that if it breaks my what's it called? My plan B will be selling from that stop from the level we sold from. Okay. Now, I was supposed to sell it somewhere here. I know that if it breaks that zone, this is where I'll be selling it from. Why? Because we are in a downtrend. And if I drop my trend line, you see that we are in a downtrend. All right, so I was expecting to sell somewhere here, but markets didn't respect this zone, and there was a massive move to this level. And as it is now, somebody might want to start buying from here. It might buy, but this is not a good one. So now the difference between pullback and retest. Now you see, a pullback is when you have a structure like this. Let's say you have an uptrend like this. Look, guys, you can use phone. Some people comes to me, can I use phone for trading or analysis? Definitely, I make use of my phone for analysis. So you can see this. This is a structure. This is a bullish structure here. All right, that's a bullish structure. Now the question is, where is the pullback? The pullback is when you completely define the market structure. if it's a bullish trend, a bullish structure, you see it's a bullish structure, then you know that when market is coming down again in a bullish structure, market is coming down again, that is a pullback. The first, that is a pullback. Like when it's going up like this, as it's coming down here, this is a pullback. This is what we known, this one is known as pullback. Why when it's going up here, this is an impulsive trend. This is a clear market bullish trend. Okay, this impulsive trend wave. This one is a correction wave, which is the pullback. All right, so you'll be waiting to sell around close to your the initial the previous higher low, which is around this level. So it's always somehow a bit closer to where you bought it from or where the market started buying from before. So this is a pullback here. Now, sorry guys. Then a retest is something like this. This video is very informative, very, like everybody needs to smash the like button already. Now, a retest is like this. Let's say we have something like this. We have horizontal lines. We have horizontal lines. So retest is something like this. Retest is something like this. When it comes down to this point, then start going up. It comes down to this point, then start going up, then come down to this point. So these ones are retest, and retest, this one is even far. Retests are mostly very short, very close to the level it's got broken from. All right, maybe something like this, and you start buying again. So I'm not saying it does not work. It does, but it's not very profitable. So I prefer trading the pullback instead of retest. Because if you want to draw a market structure, a bullish market structure, you don't draw a bullish market structure like this. We often draw a bullish market structure this way. Sorry guys, this is gonna take time small, but we have to explain this for guys to understand. You know, my video is always very informative, guys. So like the video, share the video with friends. So now this is why I prefer the pullback, because if you're drawing a market structure, a bullish market structure, this is how you draw a bullish market structure. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Check everywhere, check anywhere you want to check. This is how a market structure is drawn. You can never see someone, you don't see someone doing a bullish structure like this. Yeah, you can do it, but like, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Okay, let me delete everything and do it again. Sorry guys, it's gonna take time. It's gonna take time, guys. I don't know. I enjoy using phone for my analysis lately because it's very simple and faster. Before I finish analyzing synthetic indices to currency, it takes me like an hour. But now it's just a few minutes, I'm done analyzing. I still see the same thing. And I'm used to it. It's not as if it's bad to use system. I'm now used to it. Before it was really a big deal. So yeah, if you're drawing, you hardly see someone drawing a bullish trend like this. Right? So which means that the trend is not always this way like this. So the retest now is not very cool, because when you're waiting for a retest, market might deceive you and break into down and start coming down again. So let's use this trade I took now. So I believe you guys understand. You now understand the difference between a pullback and a retest. Now let me show you guys on the chart what I did. Now you can see we broke this level. This level was broken. Let me delete everything. Let me delete everything. You see, this level was broken. This level was broken. This market I went here like this, broke this line, broke this line. I went up. While coming down, see what it did there? Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. It printed this candlestick that looks like a reversal candlestick, and market started going up. Do you know that around this level, some people, when I started trading newly, I'll start buying somewhere here, hoping it has retested. So this is a retest. Market went up back to this level, retested this line, and started going up again. So this is a retest. So some people start buying because they feel it's an uptrend. Why? Because it has broken this other structure. It has broken this other high. So some people feel it's a retest, so they will want to buy around this level because it has broken this level. So this is why I say trading a retest is not really profitable like trading a pullback. So now this is a retest right now. Back to this point, I started going up, and some people start buying. You see what happened? Market deceived them and start coming inside again and took their money. Their SL was here, took their money, and it's still selling. So look at where I sold it from. Above this structure, above the structure, I sold it from the structure, above the structure. Market is coming down, and we made profit. So now a pullback could be, the market might drop back to this point, this level here, or back to where it started from, which is here, which is this level. This is where market started from, the structure started from. You come down around this level. Now, I'm not saying it might not start buying. It might start buying, but it's really, it makes more sense if you can wait for market to come back to around this level it started from. So you know that as you're buying, this is a clear pullback. And if this is a bullish market, then if you're buying from this level, this is a clear pullback. But if you're buying around this level, it could deceive you and start coming down to this place to start going up again. Do you understand? So that's how that's the difference between a pullback and a retest, and why it's more profitable or it's more advisable to trade a pullback instead of a retest. Okay, so that's it, guys. Now, I'm not saying, before somebody starts saying that retest works, I'm not saying retest doesn't work. I traded, I used to trade, even right now, I still trade retest, but there's a way I trade it now. This is how I trade it now, unlike how I used to trade it before. Okay, so I'm not condemning people using trading the retest. I'm just saying I think it's wiser for you to wait for market to get to a swing level where it moved from, for you to find an entry. It's more profitable. There you are a bit certain that, okay, it has gotten to this key zone, it will buy. Do you understand? Yeah. Now, there are so many things you need to understand about markets. Less is more. Less is more in terms of forex trading. Before, I was using trend line. I was using trend line 247 for my trading, but now I trade some day. I'll trade like weeks without using trend line. I'll still know what I need to know. I still know those key levels on the charts. So you must not know everything or have everything. I'm trying to let you know that you make adjustments. When I started, I used to trade retest very well. Every time I trade retest, it works sometimes, but it fails sometimes. But now I get to realize that pullback works better than retest. If you wait for a pullback, it works better than retest. Just for you to know the entries and few stuff you need to know, it works better. People, my mentorship guys, they know all this stuff. My mentees, they know all the stuffs. All right, they know all the stuffs. So that's it, guys. I think I've explained better on how to identify a retest and a pullback, and also how to trade them, and the one that is more profitable. Okay, more that has more higher chances of winning a trade. So that's it, guys. The VIPs, is on fire. We're making so much money on the VIP. If you want to join the VIP, guys, just chat me up. Check the description box to chat me up. And mentorship is on. We start mentorship next month. We being September, first week of the September. We start mentorship. So if you want to join, you're looking for a better place, a reliable place where you see your mentor right there on the screen, teaching you what you need to know. Not someone that'll be sending videos to you to go and watch without anybody to ask questions. So I'll be there to mentor you guys live, and you can ask all the questions. Then after my mentorship program, let's say it's 1 month, after 1 month you see the changes, and also you can still stay with us forever. And my mentorship program comes with my VIP lifetime VIP signal. Okay, so I think that'll be all for now. Thank you. If you did not understand this video properly, just drop a comment. Tell me what you want me to do next, or where you did not understand. Let me explain better. That'll be all for now, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. Let's go.